Hello, and how is everyone today? I hope everyone is well. Today we are making buffalo wings, guys. Very easy, delicious recipe. This is going to be simple, easy, and delicious if you want to make you some. Okay, what I have for my chicken today, guys, is just some chicken seasoning and some garlic. And my sauce is going to be easy. I got Obey hot sauce, butter, and I'm going to put garlic into that. If you choose to use anything else, you can. You can make it as hot as you like or as mild as you like. But that Obey hot sauce is going to take this over the top. It's going to level my wings up. We're leveling up with that Obey hot sauce. You can use the hot sauce of your choice when you make it. I got my grease heating up over here, guys. I'm just going to season my chicken with the garlic and the chicken seasoning. I'm not choosing to use salt. You may want salt and pepper on yours. Go ahead and do it. But this is going to be so good and spicy and delicious. Wait till you see my recipe. Let's get to it. All right, what you want to do is pat dry your chicken. These are the ding parts of the wings, guys. Oh, sorry, put mine on there. Okay, so put your chicken seasoning on there. And then just a little garlic powder. And we're going to just let it sit for 5 or 10 minutes. Did you guys see that? Make sure you mix it around and get all that love on your chicken, because it's going to stick. That chicken seasoning has salt in it, so you have to be careful. And that's why I'm not choosing to use any salt in this recipe. Okay, I'm going to let this sit for 10 minutes, and I'll be right back. All right, you see the chicken? It's sat about a half an hour, guys. You don't have to do that, but it helps. I'm not battering my chicken. I'm going in just like it is, okay? Because our sauce is going to have so much love in it, it's going to need nothing but this. What we're putting on here, it's going to be tasty, very flavorful, okay? So we're going to let these cook for about 5-10 minutes, and then we're going to flip them over, okay? And I'll be right back. All right, guys, look. See how pretty these are? You just want to flip them over, and you want them all to get browned up. You want to fry these babies up really nice, okay? They're pretty nice size. So flip them all over, just like that. And we're going to let them go now for another about 7 to 8 minutes and check them. That's what we're going to do next, okay? So we'll check them in 7 minutes. I'm going to take them out now. They cook for like 21 minutes. That's how long I let them cook. We're going to make our sauce next. Just going to drain them right here on this paper towel. Okay. Take them all off. And you want color to them just like that. Okay. Now we're getting ready to make our sauce. Okay. Stick of butter. And I'm going to use half a stick of butter in here, because we don't have very many wings over there. So you want to take this and melt it down. Okay? Get this melted all the way down. I get a wooden spoon, guys. I'll be right back. Okay. So we got our wooden spoon. And you want to use a cup of your favorite hot sauce, guys. Whatever you like. You can buy the red hot buffalo sauce. If you choose to put crushed peppers in here, you can. But you want to take that, put it in there, and just mix that up. And then add you some garlic powder. If you choose to do the salt and pepper thing to this, go ahead. But the Obey, if you use this particular one, you don't need all of that. But you do want this, the butter and your hot sauce to come together. And like I said, can you see that? I'm using Obey hot sauce. Okay? So we're just gonna melt this down. And then I'm gonna go in with just a little bit of garlic powder. Okay? And we're gonna continue to mix it in. Okay? Let that go for about 2 minutes. Just like that. And that's about a cup of hot sauce. Obey hot sauce. Okay. All right. Once you do that, you're going to go in with your wings. Just like this, guys. Very easy recipe. All righty. Okay. And toss them around. Make sure that they get saturated in this sauce, okay? Let it get all in there. Turn the heat down on low and let it just sit for a second, okay? See how that looks? Very easy recipe for buffalo wings, guys. It's a very easy recipe. If you choose, like I said, to put those crushed peppers into here, your salt and pepper, go ahead. Even lemon pepper, you can put in here. Okay, I'm gonna let these go for about another 2 or 3 minutes, and I'm gonna take this out after I let them sit there for a minute, okay? I'll be right back. All right, guys, that's what they should be looking like. That went about 3-4 minutes. The sauce is all the way in through those wings. This is how you make buffalo wings. Very easy, guys. Don't have to be a hard recipe. Now let me get my thumbnail together and I'll be right back. All right, guys, this is what our hot buffalo wings are looking like. Most people serve them up with celery. I got some cucumbers, the hot wings, and I have ranch in the back of it. That's what you want, guys. Go ahead and tell everybody what Mama Rere is doing in the kitchen. This is an awesome recipe, and guess what? If they eat hot buffalo wings, they'll love this recipe. You guys, thank you for staying this far with me. I truly appreciate all you guys. Everyone have a marvelous day. Voila! Bye-bye. Eat up, guys.